Hey everyone, it's Andrew from WP Shopify. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to actually display your products once you finish the syncing process. WP Shopify has three different ways that you can show your products. The first is the default pages, and these are the /products and /collections pages. And these are two pages that are created by default for you. The second are the provided shortcodes here, and the third is the render API. Now let's walk through each one individually. So the default pages are two custom pages that the plugin creates for you out of the box. And these pages are responsible for simply showing your products by default. For example, if we go into our store here and click products, this is an example of kind of what will show up. Now this will obviously look different depending on your store data. Here we're using dummy data in our Shopify store, so that's why the products look a little strange. And then obviously, the layout will be different depending on your WordPress theme and that sort of thing. You can see that we have an option to change this URL here for the plugin. So we can change the products and we can change the collections to any URL that we want. It's important to note, however, that the pages are not native WordPress pages. And so if that's something that you want, if you need an actual page here, then what you'll want to do is you'll want to create a custom page and then output the products using a shortcode. Now this is by far the most convenient way to show your products, and WP Shopify offers a whole bunch of different shortcodes depending on your use case. I'll show you kind of what it looks like. So if we copy this shortcode here, and let's say we create a new page, and we can add a shortcode block, and we'll just add the shortcode. So this is the default WPS product shortcode that will just output the default amount of products. And if we visit the page, we can see they show up. And as you can see, it is the same output as the default products page. And this is because the WPS_products shortcode is the default. It just uses all of the defaults that the products page uses as well. Okay, the third option is the render API. Now the render API is for developers, so if you're not a developer, you can go ahead and skip this section. But if you are a developer, just know that our render API is a PHP class that you can include in your files that will allow you to programmatically show your products via post title, post ID, all of that sort of thing. And you can find a detailed documentation under our guide here, render API.